For 2025, Shasta has introduced the 16RE, a unique couple's lightweight floor plan. The rear entrance makes maximum use of the available space in an RV that is only 16 feet 9 inches in length and weighing 4,000 pounds gross. This full-featured, no-compromise RV can sleep up to 3 and can be towed with a mid-size SUV or half-ton truck. Outside you'll find access doors to the pass-through basement, a side awning, and there's a second awning to cover the rear entrance. Inside, the bathroom offers a shower and a toilet. On the right, the fridge is 4.5 cubic feet. The jackknife sofa provides sleeping for guests. The kitchen includes a microwave oven and 2-burner stove. At the front is a queen bed, a closet, and overhead storage. This floor plan has a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, a gas-electric water heater, and an electric fireplace.